Cheating on your husband, on your wife, on your partner is very wrong. The consequences of cheating to some people are very, very unbearable. That is the more reason why you should be careful when it comes to your relationship. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. On this particular episode of Palava, a shocking revelation was made by a woman because her husband cheated on her. And the consequences after the cheating happened is very, very unbearable. Anyway, guys, take a look at this video and we talk.
I've been married to my husband for over 15 good years. We have got 3 children together, but this guy has never ever been faithful. He cheats on me left, right and center. He will sleep with anything in scared. He can never keep his manhood, his dingy-dangy inside his pants. He will sleep with anything in scared. I was too tired of the cheating, to the point that he disrespected me, that he will now bring his side pieces into our matrimonial home. Even when our children are around, he will bring them around and he will sleep with them. I'm talking about having sexual intercourse with these side pieces. That was the last straw that broke the camel's back for me. I decided to complain to his family. His family told me that I nag too much. I like to complain too much. Am I the first woman to be married? Am I the first woman for the husband to be cheating on? I know that men, that is their nature. So I should just shut up, zip it and deal with it and stop complaining because they do not want to hear anything anymore. I got really frustrated and I didn't know what to do. Fast forward, I started feeling very unwell. So I decided to go to the hospital. They did some tests. The doctor dropped the bombshell. He tells me that I am HIV positive. Bearing in mind, I do not sleep with anyone. My husband is the only man I have ever known and slept with. So for me to be HIV positive, it could only be him. He's the one that is sleeping around aimlessly. So I decided to teach his family a lesson because they refuse to hear my complaint. They refuse to listen to me. They refuse to talk to their son about his disgusting behavior. And now look at what it has cost me. I visited them and I decided to sleep with my father-in-law. This guy is just like his son. Like they said, the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. So this guy willingly slept with me, which made things even easier for me because I planned for months how to do this. Then his younger brother, I too slept with him because this is the only way I can deal with them. Bearing in mind that his mom is going to sleep with his dad, so she will catch it that way. His sister particularly, she hates me. This woman told me that his brother wanted to marry her best friend, and because of me, he rejected her best friend. And because of that, she despises me. She hates me as if I did something really bad to her. So I cooked some food and I served them. They all ate it, which means everyone is now HIV positive. I sat there and I waited. I didn't care how long it took. Suddenly, the father wasn't feeling well, which is my father-in-law. He went to the hospital. He got tested. They told him the news that he is HIV positive. The mom panicked. She went and got tested. The younger brother, who is in school, he too wasn't feeling well. He got tested. And they said he is also HIV positive. My sister-in-law got tested out of hearing what is going on. And she too is HIV positive. They rang my husband and they told him that it must be me because I came to their house and I cooked for them to eat. So they think that I did something and therefore my husband should force me to have HIV test done. He broke down in tears and he said, he is the one who infected me with HIV and therefore they should forgive me. It is not me. He's the one that started it. Do you think that I am heartless for doing what I did to them? Do you think that I'm a mean witch for doing what I did to them? Do you think I'm a horrible biatch for doing what I did to them? I was only sharing the love. After all, their son cost me this.
People, you don't hear them. You get some people where their mind, they like you. As you dey marry person, as you dey marry man or woman, please, be careful of who you are marrying, because look at this man. The woman jejely dey tell am say, see, you got to stop this thing. You don't reach time where you suppose don't stop all these things. The guy just they go. He dey sweet am, he dey knack people, he dey even bring people inside the house. You go to do people. You dey treat your relationship like social commodity. Your own family, your marriage, you are treating your marriage like a social commodity. You see am? So this woman decided, okay, I'm going to share the love. He called the family. His mama say no, leave him. He called papa, he say no. He say, okay. That's why I say, he get some people, where you go do some things, they no go take them likely. They no go take them. Imagine giving somebody's daughter HIV in the name of marriage because he's married to you now. Nothing they share. He dey sleep with you normally without anything, without protection. You carry this thing, give him where you carry from all this. You are treating, if you like, treat your marriage like social commodity. See am. And so this woman spread the love. Everybody, the entire household. That is the more reason why you wait they chop for people's house. You go person house, you open mouth while they eat. They don't even know whether. Anyway, they know they carry this thing from food now. But no, normally, body fluid like that. Now so this woman spread. They try to contain the virus. This one they busy, they spread them. How do you now contain the virus? Children don't get them. Family, brother. Everybody for the family collects because just one person lose guard. Something wait for who yourself, contain yourself. They share, they bring people inside your house. Oh girl, oh boy, if you like, treat your family, like social commodity. You go collect, now you go collect. Now una family go collect because your wife, you know they take some things. Your husband, you know they take some things. He go do you. So who you want blame for this thing? Now the man, now bring the person where who? Now I be the woman where share the love. Who you want blame? Everybody, even papa, we don't live in life. Mama, we don't live in life. Finish. Even the younger brother, the young one, where they house, everybody collects. So after this thing now, who you want blame? Anyway, Sha, now so family palava they be. Palava, you know they finish. Until I come again, let's continue the conversation on the comment section. I'm your girl, Bella.